Getting cold, isn't it? It's winter. I need this tyre so I can fiddle around with your back tyre. Just take it straight off. You're going to watch me how to do it. So I've got this lovely wood here. All we're going to do is chop this to length, 20 inches by 18. That just gives the width and the length what I need, because I need a bit more on the end to catch the oil, because they're notorious for leaking oil. What we're going to do, have it that way, one that way, crisscross, give it a strength. Now you're going to watch us how to do it. Not how to do it, you're just going to watch us do it. Pretty sure you know how to do it. Guess what? I'm going to repeat that another 2 times. Henry, I think you're drunk. You did nothing there. Nothing. Did nothing. What was the point? Beautiful, that. Beautiful. However, I scrapped the idea of 18 by 20 inches. I went with 20 by 20. So all around there's a square. And who loves a square? I love a square. So I think next, I want to cut an angle on them. I had to pull out this machine. The thing I hate the most, I've never actually used it because I'm fearful of it. The amount of videos I've seen of just chucking bits of wood up and slashing people's faces open. I've got enough scars across my face and my head. Don't need more. But the whole reason I have to use it for is that you can only do short bits of wood. I need to do 20 inches of that same angle across this. So I've got the angle all the way down. Could be the last video you see of us. But anyway, enjoy it. Using this, man. You know what I'm talking about. Wood flicks up and just smashes the face open. I've got to adjust the angle on it now. That just makes things worse. Makes them even more like... just worse. I better drink this. Could be my last drink. With a lovely face. Next time you see us, I'll have a disfigured face. Turn it on, see what happens. Taking no chances. Not if I don't stab my eyes out. Yes, I think this is appropriate. See what's happening there now. Bloody God. Make some minor adjustments. Take that guard off. Good thing I'm doing it solely in my garage. Otherwise HSE would be on my ass. As you can see, I've got a bit of a dilemma. Don't ever buy a McAllister table saw. It's crap. Can't even adjust the height of your blade. I'm going to have to improvise. I'll have to cut this bit into smaller sections. Cut them, and then cut the rest with a saw to get the lip off. The joys of owning shit equipment. McAllister. Don't buy. All chopped into smaller sections. Let's try again and kill myself. The angle on the circular saw now. Great. Something's happened. Look. Obviously I messed up there. That's what happens when you drink and cut. Just don't drink and cut. And don't drink and drive. But we're going to have to live with this now. I'm going to put those on the bottom. Because I don't want gaps at the top. But anyway, it's still going to work. And it's still going to bloody work great. Sorted. The way I see it, these extra bits, it's just like wired our feet to stop it from tipping over. Not that it would ever tip over. But however, what happened if the world just went out of its gravity spinning axis thing, and gravity just got really weird and wanted to pull things down sideways? That's going to stop it from falling. If anything, this serves a purpose now. It means even your tyre here, it's central. Yeah. passes. It's hard work, but it passes. Look. Seven inches clearance. It worked. Room for the drift tray as well. Hurry up and subscribe and press the like button. Just help us out, man. How are you? It's Christmas. Help me out.